SparQ by SeQuel Response solves 3 big problems with traditional direct mail. First, it cuts the time it takes to generate a direct mail campaign from weeks to minutes. Second, SparQ integrates direct mail with your marketing tech stack so that direct mail works in concert with your email and digital marketing programs. Third, SparQ provides tracking and analytics so you can accurately measure the impact of your mail. Here's how it works. SparQ makes it easy for you to create, send, and track high-quality postcards and letters. We use a nationwide print and delivery network to intelligently route your mail based on address. SparQ is an all-in-one solution. We handle the printing, sorting, postage, tracking, delivery where available, and online response generated by each mail piece. First, either upload or import a list directly from your CRM. SparQ checks to see if your contacts have the required address data to send direct mail. We set aside individual contacts that don't, so you can clean up your data prior to sending. Next, use SparQ's groundbreaking direct mail editor to create your letter or postcard template quickly. You can easily build a template from scratch, choose from our library of pre-built templates, or upload your own artwork designed in an offline tool. We've got a SparQ design guide built for offline designers. Use the direct mail editor's drag and drop interface to create a personalized mail piece that will look professional and create a deep impression on your audience. Edit your mail piece with easy-to-use content blocks. Personalize your template with SparQ's easy-to-use personalization tools. Insert variable data tokens as placeholders for names, titles, specials, or any data mapped into your contact list from your CRM, point of sale, or any data source. Use our unique variable data editor to dynamically change content like images or messaging for each recipient. All SparQ plans include an unlimited number of personalized URLs or pearls, as well as QR codes. Pearls are used by savvy direct mailers to track the online response of their audience on custom landing pages. The pearls that you get with SparQ will track the response on your landing page or web page or e-commerce platform. We've built some safeguards for you to ensure you only send high-quality postcards and letters. First, we blocked the portion of the template reserved for postage, barcodes, and addresses, so you can't possibly print on those areas. Second, we have an innovative proofing process that generates a high-resolution PDF for you to review. Only after a template has been proofed can you use it in a campaign. Finally, just like your favorite email marketing tools, SparQ keeps your template in a library so you can reuse them as often as you'd like. It's super easy to build campaigns in SparQ. Wizards walk you through, step-by-step, the campaign creation process. Smart Send campaigns merge your contact list with the template that you've proofed and schedules your campaign to be sent to the printers in a nationwide print delivery network. SparQ inserts the personalization and tracking variables in each mail piece, intelligently routes each piece based on address, and then monitors the delivery and response for you. Your mail piece shows up in mailboxes a few days after the campaign is sent, much quicker than the 4 to 6 week production cycle that traditional direct mail requires. Smart Sends can be used for multiple touch campaigns. You can simply add a mail drop to an existing campaign, and you can even send to dynamically generated campaign segments. Do you want to send another direct mail piece to your non-responders only? No problem. How about a follow-up piece to everyone who clicked through and converted? A piece of cake. All SparQ plans include an unlimited number of smart sets. Trigger campaigns create a way for you to drip individual mail pieces. To compound the impact of your email automation workflows, these campaigns execute in real time as your CRM or marketing automation listens for changes in a prospect's status, lead score, or behavior. Onboarding campaigns can trigger a personalized letter from the CEO to all new clients, or automatically drop email non-responders into a smart list to receive high-impact postcard to get them re-engaged. The possibilities are endless. With SparQ's triggered drip campaigns, you can now get the power of marketing automation with the impact and engagement of direct mail. The only human hands that touch the mail are the local postal workers. All SparQ plans also include deep integration to many of the top marketing, e-commerce, and CRM products. For example, with HubSpot, you can set up workflows that can trigger personalized postcards and letters. You can easily leverage the SparQ integration or API tools to connect your workflows to SparQ and instantly drip out mail pieces to your contacts. Speaking of contacts, SparQ keeps your CRM contacts in sync with exactly what's happening in each campaign. Imagine mail delivery status is triggering emails and phone calls from sales reps in real time. It's all now possible with SparQ. As you run campaigns, SparQ helps you measure the overall engagement and effectiveness of your direct mail. Your campaign and account-level dashboards are the first effort to combine real-time direct mail delivery and response metrics into a single view. Many clients have said that we've built the equivalent to Google Analytics for direct mail. Visualize direct mail performance over time. Drill down to the performance of an individual campaign, or to the delivery and response behavior of any individual member of your audience. You'll even get email alerts as the status changes begins for each campaign, as well as when individual recipients convert by reaching their target goal URLs. This is how SparQ helps you stand out from your competitors by turning direct mail into a digital channel. SparQ helps you grow your business by delivering high-impact direct mail to your audience in a fraction of the time associated with traditional direct mail. With deep CRM and marketing automation integration, and detailed analytics on direct mail delivery and response, we're turning direct mail into a digital marketing channel. To learn more about SparQ's direct mail automation for smart and savvy marketers, contact SeQuel Response today.